In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add permanent static routes in Ubuntu Server 24. We'll be configuring these routes within the Netplan configuration file. I assume you're already familiar with Netplan and how to set static IP addresses. If not, there is a video link in the description on how to set a static IP on Ubuntu using the Netplan configuration file. Okay, before adding routes, let's check the routing table first using the ip-route-show command. Here it shows that we have one static route, which is actually the default gateway. So what I'm going to do is add a new static route to the 10.0.0.0 network via the gateway at 192.168.1.100. To make static routes permanent, we need to add them to the Netplan configuration file, which is located in the etc netplan directory. Here, you'll find a file with a .yaml extension. Static routes should be placed within the Routes section of the interface configuration. Each route is defined as a list item, starting with a hyphen. The to keyword specifies the destination network, followed by the via keyword for the gateway on a new line. In this configuration, we already have one route under ENS33 interface that specifies the default gateway. Now let's add a new route to the 10.0.0.0 network. The new route should start with a hyphen. Then use the keyword to specify the destination. The destination can be either a host, in which case you add the IP address of the host, or a network, where you add the network ID along with the subnet mask. On the next line, specify the gateway to the network using the keyword via. Optionally, you can assign a metric to the route to set its priority. Another thing to keep in mind is that when you have multiple network interfaces, you should add routes under the interface that will handle the traffic for that specific route. For example, to add a route to the 192.168.20 network via the gateway, 192.168.10.1, you'll need to specify the route under the ENS37 interface, since the gateway is accessed through ENS37. And one last thing, the syntax for adding IPv6 routes follows the same structure as for IPv4 routes. You'll use the same keywords and formatting, such as to for specifying the destination and via for the gateway, but with IPv6 addresses and prefixes. Okay, we've added the routes. Now let's save the file and apply the changes. To do this, run the netplan apply command. To verify that the routes have been added successfully, use the ip-route-show command. This will display the current routing table, including any static routes you've configured. And that's it for this tutorial on setting up permanent static routes in Ubuntu Server 24 using Netplan. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more Linux tutorials.